Welcome to Cooking with Bobby Joe. We are glad y'all stopped by. We are continuing our Taco Bell Copycat recipe series. We are making things that have been discontinued from the Taco Bell menu that we really loved. My sister is more versed in the Taco Bell menu than I am. I did not realize they no longer had taco salads. We're using the same ingredients that were cooked in the previous video, Beefy Fritos Burrito. We cooked enough to make a variety of things, so if you need to know how to cook the ground beef or heat up any of the other ingredients, I will link that video above. So taco bowls are easy to make. I use 10-inch flour tortillas. I have those little taco bowl shaped pans that I bake the tortillas in. I bought these little pans at Aldi's about 6-7 years ago. It's a set of 4 and I find it is the easiest way for me to make taco bowls. So I baked them in a 425 degree preheated oven until it was lightly browned, about 10 minutes, and they come out of the oven nice and crispy. For the toppings, we're using lettuce, tomato, sour cream, Taco Bell taco sauce, and taco cheese. I start off by placing the lettuce in the bottom of the shell, then I'll add the rice and the refried beans and the ground beef. We're trying to make this as close to Taco Bell as possible. Typically, I would add grilled onions, jalapenos, maybe some sweet peppers to my taco salad, but we're trying to make this as close to what they offered at Taco Bell as possible, so we're going to leave it a little more plain than what I would make it. And that's the great thing about making it at home. You can personalize it however you want. Okay, next I add the rest of the toppings. I add the tomatoes, and I add a lot of tomatoes. I love tomatoes. Sour cream and taco sauce. And then you want to add the cheese. And that's all there is to it. It's a quick and easy taco salad. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more drool-worthy human and dog treat videos, and we hope y'all have a very blessed week.